Evapotranspiration sounds kind of complicated, but it's actually really simple. It's basically just all the water that's lost from the surface of the land. And this loss happens through two processes. 1, evaporation, and 2, transpiration. Hence, evapotranspiration. Anyway, let's look at the evapo part. Evaporation happens when solar radiation from the sun heats up all the water particles on the land's surface. So here's a water particle and another water particle, and these two are joined together by a hydrogen bond, represented by the H. When the water particles heat up, they gain more kinetic energy, and this makes them vibrate more. The vibrating breaks the hydrogen bonds holding them together, and they become free. They bounce off each other with a lot of energy, and so they become a gas. This can therefore be described as water loss from the surface of the land, because the water is technically no longer on the surface of the land. It's floating about in its gaseous form of water vapour in the surrounding air. Now let's look at the transpiration part. Those of you who study biology will know that, in its simplest form, transpiration is basically just water loss from plants. So, very simply, the plant takes up water from the soil through its roots, and this water gets pulled up the plant to be used in lots of different processes inside the plant. Later, the water evaporates from the leaves of the plant, or in this case is a cactus, so the stem, in the form of water vapour, which is a gas. So you can see that this is another form of water loss from the surface of the land, because the water is now a gas, water vapour, and it's in the air, not on the land. So finally, evapotranspiration is just both of these processes put together. It's the total amount of water lost through evaporation plus the total amount of water lost through transpiration added together, and that number is your evapotranspiration. Thank you for watching, and I really hope this helped you.